Waterpro have been doing end of month barbecues for 10 years nearly. It'll be 10 years next month. And so I just wanted to make a video of how we do it because they're so popular and because as new staff come on board, they may not know exactly how we do it. So to get the hash browns really crunchy, they get sprayed with Australian canola oil or similar and have to go on first. We cook them from frozen and get them crunchy. That's important. The muffins need to be warmed on the grill. As you can see, I've got a hash brown on a muffin with cheese on it. The cheese is now melted, which is part of the plan, and the eggs need to go on medium. These are getting close to medium. I don't like the idea of pre-cooking bacon because obviously if you pre-cook the bacon, it gets dry and stringy. We only ever use free-range eggs because they cook better, and we only use Kraft singles as the cheese, so we don't use real cheese. All right, so those eggs are good. They're probably a little, that one was overcooked, I left that too long. That one's good. So we've got some muffins ready. We don't sauce the muffins. We leave that for the client. And we always cook to order so that none of this is pre-made.